Hello guys! Dito tayo ngayon sa isang resort sa may Morong Bataan.
Come on, let's visit the Vista Venice Resort at Morong Bataan. Wow! It is located at Sitio Barukdok, Barangay Morong Bataan, and approximately 3 to 4 hours travel by land or 155 kilometers from Manila. At last, we're already here after a long and fun trip. At dahil gutom na kami, pipila na kami ngayon for our lunch. But wait, punta muna tayo sa function hall para may mapupwestuhan tayo pag kumain. Time to eat! Let's see kung anong pinrepare nilang food para sa amin. 1 cup of rice, 3 main courses, 1 dessert, 1 hot soup, and honey juice drink. Kompleto, diba? Oh, ang diet! Aww. Now, time for check-in. Dito nga pala kami na-assign sa Magnolia Building. Come on, let's see how beautiful it is. So this is an air-conditioned room with smart TV, composed of 5 double-sized bed, and each has 2 pillows, 1 comforter, 2 white towels, and toiletries. Of course, huwag din natin kalimutan bisitahin ang kanilang bathroom. The bathroom is also nice and clean. It has a heater, shower, and bidet. Pang may pera, diba? Outside the room is a beautiful scenery with very refreshing air. May mga puno at bundok o burol. May veranda rin na pwede kayong umupo at magmarites ng buhay ng may buhay. What? Oops! But yun na. Only. Try naman natin pumunta sa ibang lugar. Let's see kung ano ang kakaiba. Wow! The ambience is so relaxing and very ideal for recreational activities like team building or convention. Kaya nga kami narito eh. 2 days and 1 night kayo kami. Salamat po sa nag-sponsor. 15 minutes away ito sa beach, kaya kung ayaw mo nang lumayo, marami namang swimming pool dito. May pang kids at pang adult. Pili ka lang. There are also slides and fountain at the pool. Tingnan mo, parang napakalinis, napakasarap yatang maligo. Tara at magtampisaw na. Lugluba na. Nagpicture-picture nga din pala kami dito sa lobby nila. Ang ganda, di ba? Well, may magandang view din pala dito sa may bandang entrance nila.
Hello! We are here at the Vista Venice Resort.
So on our second day, nakita ko sa bandang entrance yung grotto nila. At sa pababa nito ay andun din yung magandang scenery kung saan pwede magpa-picture. Ayan, di ba? May arc at saka may bridge. So heto, meron nga pala ditong jacuzzi na pwede nyo pagpaliguan, lalo na kung gusto nyo maligo ng medyo mainit-init sa gabi. Sa tabi rin nito ay merong pwede kayong pagpahingahan, and they call it volcanic sun spa. I just noticed that their resort has a plenty garden areas with not just ornamental plants but also fruit-bearing trees. Dahil dito, pwede silang mabigyan ng magandang review. Now it's time to pack our things kasi hindi na namin mag-check out. Pwede na kaming umuwi. Uy, hintay. Huwag niyo akong iwan. Dito pa ako. See you on my next vlog. Thanks for watching.